Hi, this is Dr. Vivek, and in this video I will share with you one simple exercise that will surely help you to reduce the belly fat. If you don't want fat in your belly, do this and this is surely going to help you. It's not any kinds of presses, it's not any kinds of fancy exercises. The exercise that you have to do to reduce your belly fat is cardio. Yes, doing cardio every day or as often you can, this is the only way to reduce the belly fat. And it's not only about belly fat, it is going to help you in maintaining or giving health to the most important muscle of your body. It's not your abdomen, it's not your arms, it's not your legs, it is your heart. So cardio is going to help you in burning the fat, plus it is going to help you in having a healthy heart, which will help you to live longer. Cardio will burn more fat than doing any kinds of crunches, doing any kinds of other exercises. What are cardio exercises? It's running, jogging, swimming, cycling, rope skipping, these kinds of exercises. I have just named very few, there are many others. Mountain climbing, anything that puts a little bit pressure on your heart and your heart have to work more. This is how you will burn more calories. As much as calories you will burn, it will be easier for you to be in a caloric deficit, and this in turn in general will help you in losing the weight. Try to understand that we have muscle inside our body. This is how our body looks if it is without the fat. So if you want your muscles to be visible, then reducing the fat from your body, it is how it's gonna happen. The same way we have the abdominal muscles also. Yes, if you will train them, just have a look. We have all these muscles in our body. If you will do crunches, if you will do any kinds of exercises of your arm, what these things are going to do, they are going to increase the size of the muscle. But it is all covered with the fat. And yes, little bit of fat is needed. If you will go in single digit fat, very lean, that's not healthy. I'm talking about an healthy body. So try to reduce the fat as you are comfortable and you are feeling comfortable. It should not be that you are feeling bad, your days are bad, your mood are bad, and you are doing dieting, you are doing cardio. This is not sustainable. You have to do it for a long period of time. I do it every day and I enjoy it. So the thing is, you have to understand that you have these muscles inside your abdomen also. You have to reduce the fat. Doing any kinds of crunches or any other kinds of exercises, it will make these muscles more thicker, but they are not going to be visible unless and until you are going to remove the extra fat that is covering the muscle that is beneath these fat. And this is gonna be with cardio. There is nothing as spot reduction. Spot reduction means removing or targeting the fat only at one part of your body, means abdomen, arms, thighs, doing just exercises to reduce the fat from specific part. No, it's not so effective. What is effective is cardio. Do it, eat in a caloric deficit. Don't be afraid of the term caloric deficit. It is not so that you have to eat low, you have to eat just the food that are low in calories, as fruits, vegetables, these kinds of stuff, little bit of protein you can add, and this will be easier for you. For example, if you are buying a yogurt, buy the yogurt that is high in protein, less in carbs and fat. Anyways, you will be getting carbs and fat from there also. Protein is what is needed to build the muscle. If you are aiming for weight loss, if you are aiming to get a good sports physique, then these things will help you. So be clear that doing any specific kind of exercises is not going to help you. What's going to help you is cardio. Do it. Surely you will get the results. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.